watching this video to the end, you will know exactly how to shop for a Nigerian Christmas without spiking your blood sugar. Hello my wonderful people, and welcome to Beat Diabetes Nigeria. And I'm so excited because Christmas is around the corner. Even though things might not seem too rosy, even though I know most people are not really in that happy place, but you know, we've just gotta make ourselves happy. I mean, we are Nigerians, and for me, I'm still in Nigeria, so anything I can do to make myself happy while still on this green soil, I will do. So permit me to welcome you to our Vlogmas series. Over the next 25 days, I will be sharing tips that will help you enjoy your holiday, enjoy the festive season, while minimizing spikes in your blood sugar levels, so you don't want to miss my videos. I know it's going to take a lot of work. I know it's not gonna be easy, but please, the only encouragement you can do for me is anytime you come across my videos during this season, kindly help me like, pass a comment, share it within your circle. That's how you can encourage me to keep putting in the efforts. Okay, I know we all love our Christmas foods. We love our jollof rice, we love our fried rice, we love our moi moi, we love our pounded yam. But if you are diabetic, this particular season or period can be a little bit tricky. You worry about what to eat, what to buy at the local markets, what to shop for at the supermarket. Today, I'm taking that worry away. And I will be showing you simple, essential Nigerian foods you have to buy during this season to have a healthy, happy, and yummy Christmas and New Year celebrations. First, let's talk about the biggest star of a Nigerian Christmas, of every Nigerian home during the Christmas period, which is rice. I mean, we all love our jollof rice, we love our fried rice, but we also know that white rice can cause a huge spike in our blood sugar levels. What should you buy instead of white rice this season? Look for brown rice or other varieties of ofada rice, because it has or it contains more fiber, slows down how fast sugar enters your blood, and keeps your sugar levels more stable. If you are still watching, this is the right time to give this video a huge thumbs up right now and share it, so that it can be pushed to more Nigerians who would need it, especially during this period. Now, moving on to staple number 2, which is swallow. My advice to you is that during this period, while going shopping for swallow, go for unripe plantain flour, because it's very low on the glycemic index, meaning that it has a less impact on your blood sugar compared to the likes of semo, eba, or pounded yam. So make your swallow with this, make your amala with this, with your original unripe plantain flour, and pair it with any soup of your choice, but ensure that it is a high fiber soup that you are pairing it with, so there is no need to completely miss out on swallow during the festive season. And our staple number 3 is lean protein. I know Christmas is not complete without all those orishirishi, all those meats, all those protein. However, where you're getting your protein from, I mean the sources of your protein, are also very important. Protein is your best friend because it doesn't raise your blood sugar levels like carbohydrates do, and it also helps to keep you full. So just go ahead and buy lots and lots of fish, mackerel fish, dry fish, egg fish, tilapia fish, catfish, any types of fish at all. Go for snails if you can afford it. Go for turkey, go for chicken, because they are full of healthy fats and omega-3, which are also great for your heart, especially while you're trying to control diabetes. However, this is a warning. Do not fry your protein during this period. Instead of frying, air fry them, grill them, roast them, boil them, and marinate them with sauce. Marinate them in your stew. Make stewed protein, stewed chicken, stewed fish, stewed turkey, stewed peppered snails. You can have all these during these periods, but remember, do not fry. So this helps to cut down on unhealthy oils and helps to keep the protein lean. Then we move on to our staple number 4, which is our vegetables and our greens. My people, this is the most important. You need to buy lots of leafy greens during this period: shoko, spinach, tete, bitter leaf, even okra. Okra is a vegetable. Because they are low in carbohydrates, then they are high in vitamins and lots of minerals, which are beneficial for your body. And they are also full of fiber. So for your jollof rice, you can even go ahead to add chopped carrots, add chopped green peas into it. But don't forget that always and always, half of your plate must be filled with vegetables. So for your okra, cook your okra soup, pair it with your swallow, the unripe plantain flour we mentioned earlier. It contains lots of fiber that helps slow down sugar absorption in the body. But note that to make your okra soup, you have to use a very minimal little amount of oil, of palm oil. Before going today, I want to let you know that Christmas is all about joy, celebrating love, celebrating family, and even celebrating life too. Yeah. With these easy swaps, you can easily enjoy your holiday meals with peace of mind. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today if you are still here, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. Stay healthy, and I will see you in my next one.